All right, now, so I forgot to talk to them two girls here who demonstrated how skillful they are on the stage. Dancing Rebel, SwatTwinz, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
When you can give me a little heads up when you're up on stage during the Under the Influence when Chris Brown have seen?
Maybe more.
A little sexy something if him call up a Jamaican dance on already.
After the bum they have to call me.
Oh, okay. So if him draw for the chair and say want to dance up on the stage in 5 seconds.
Oh, you got a girl?
That girl is putting on no nerves. No nerves.
Alright, so how it feel for them on a big dancer show like Chris Brown? Una dancer, it must feel extra special.
I feel elated like a bogle called me.
I'm excited. I feel like a cartel call me.
Alright, so I'm soon do the thing earlier, like honestly, you know, this is why I always say the dancer them need more respect, especially the woman them, because the way you on the step to the stage now, like once again, every time I dance, I can't say that come from the heart and the soul.
Yes.
And I years not do this.
Yeah, a long time from 010.
Look towards Jamaica now, what do I say to them as it relates to how them treat and how them look on dancers?
Without dancers, the music makes no sense.
Yeah.
It no matter what kind of music, dancers are important.
Yeah.
So I really and truly want to cherish you a little bit more.
Yeah, yeah.
You understand me? You see how we trump on the stage? Eh?
You dance, you know?
Me dance.
Yeah.
Till piece of my teeth go so full. Drop out. You're crazy.
No, honestly, if my bank account never so empty, would I give my rent? Would I give
I
my
would have
rent?
take it, you know?
Oh, no. Jeez, I'm
But I take the rent.
Alright, so just describe like what it felt like being up there.
I'm not telling you, I'm excited. I don't know, I'm overwhelmed, I'm excited, bad, and worse. But then, I dance with Rebel again.
Oh, God,
I dance with Rebel forever since I raised days, from Spice days. So, you know, a long time I dance with Rebel, so, you know, I'm a twin of the year. Big up next SwatTwinz. Yeah, you. So, yeah.
But I'm not telling a lie. I can't say this.
Yeah.
You bleep me out?
No man, talk.
But do the 10 time. Nerves don't kill me, Berry. I'm not lie. But do the 10 time.
Oh, jeez, and Pim. So what got when Chris Brown call you?
At the 40-inch.
What got when Chris Brown call you and later on?
No, I'm run up and boom down. That's crazy.
Oh, Jesus.
One PTR. Pretty TTR Rebel. You know we go to work.
No, Rebel, I forgot to talk to you now because you mash up the place where because you post one little video and make your battery jar tip and go. So,
As a
do
slim
some little
girl.
things like we no.
Respect.
How will you learn them something, the Rebel?
I'm from the art.
So you can make your battery jar, most of them like have them own choreography just so.
Yeah, my body try them have them own art, so them beat for them own time, man.
So that means so when you have quint, you're quint them different.
Tight.
Jesus Christ.
Bleaky.
Anybody who left you now gonna forget you.
Cannot.
So you tell me say I saw the dancer them represent like the dancer them have extra muscle.
Yeah,
Everybody have extra muscle.
Tight.
So you say as a dancer you can't miss no time.
No.
Oh.
Tight.
Okay, so before you go in, I want to play the quick game here, Chris Brown, right? So I'm gonna give you a mood and find a Chris Brown song for match it, right? So we are talking about bedroom late night. What a Chris Brown song they are drop for?
Under the influence.
All right. We are talking in love. Your love out right now. Which Chris Brown song you gonna drop for that?
No air, no air.
No bullshit.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're in your bad girl energy, F-boy era. Which song you drop?
Deuces.
All right, you're hurt now. You feel sad, pain in your heart, break up. Which song?
I've got to link my back. I don't take show up. I don't know.
All right, take care. Thank you very much, SwatTwinz Dancing Rebel.
man one time. I'm going to call Chris Brown name nice song. And look where I'm at now. All I dancer there. The male dancer there. Well, a female dancer for me. Show them how versatile on the stage. I want to dance with a female dancer. Like when I dance in a love song. Me have a girl in a me can't sing the chill. Oh, with a million slip of it. Rest if you slip me, no she there to the king. We a look out for me. Say she want to listen some coffee and cranes. Kill two already for the day the bar. That time I know, the one never go in the castle. She said she never give it up in it. She know one night stand, she had the right time. And even though she never had big time, still everything in order. She said, "Big, what do you?" Lati, come here, Lati. Lati, come here. What should I run? Run. The man, my boss in her right now. Pretty little thing, and she not come from top. Move to her, she tell him to slow. And I said she want me to do a song with this girl. People, them say, watch your enemies, but watch your friend them closer. Yeah. You see the people that know you, and them feel like say, them have authority and privilege to question and measure the blessings your Father gonna give. And God alone can measure my blessings one another year. Fear friend, me don't want to see around me. Bad-minded friend move around me.